我们相信。
妹妹，你要捡瓶瓶吗？我那头有根，我给你给不？快来，那头有个，快来拿。你妈妈他们呢？啊？哪个的？你妈妈他们呢？你读书没得的？没有啊？来来来，我有个瓶瓶。你啷个在捡垃圾啊？你吃饭没得？啊？没有，我给你买个粑粑要不？来，来，这头有9块零钱。我看我那会还有钱没得？等一下。我还没得钱了。来，妹妹。你莫哭嘛，你在哪头坐啊？在那边坐。你莫哭哈。把钱好心揣起哈，我没得钱的，那身上没得现金的哈。
This is gutter oil being collected. If you've visited or lived in China, you have eaten gutter oil. What you see here is a restaurant worker straining out used chili oil from a trash can. This is being collected to be reused for the next customer who orders spicy hot pot.
你干啥呢，哥们儿？啊？你干啥呢？
This man is confronted and asked,
你有媳妇儿有孩子，上有老下有小。
Do you not have family you care about?
父母、妻女身上，是不是？
I understand it's difficult to make money these days, but how would you feel if your elderly parents, your children and relatives ate this poison?
我的好，我也知道，就是每个人生存在社会上都不容易，但是咱不能这样事儿的，好不好？
To which he replied, You're right. I'll be on my way. And the gutter oil syndicates are more and more sophisticated than before. And if anyone tries to pretend as if it's being taken care of and that the government clamped down and it doesn't exist anymore, that's bullshit. Because not only is this footage that I'm showing you recent, but I filmed a lot of it myself. I filmed this stuff with my own eyes. Now, if me, just a single individual walking around in the streets of China and specifically living in one of the best, most prosperous, biggest, brightest cities of China, Shenzhen, if I saw it on a regular basis, so much so that I've got footage that I filmed myself and something that I would be commonly just scoffing at and saying, oh, there we go, gutter oil again.